let's make some Kollu Kadaiyal or Horsegram lentil curry. For that, I have taken half cup of horsegram. Rinse the horsegram and soak with sufficient amount of water for 6 to 8 hours. And then drain the water. Add 2 cups of fresh water, 1 green chili, 2 garlic cloves and pressure cook for 5 whistles. Parallelly, let's make the masala. Let's roast the spices. Heat a teaspoon of oil, add cumin seeds, dried red chilies, and then coriander seeds and chopped onion, and saute until the spices are fragrant and the onion is soft and translucent. And now, once the pressure is released, discard the green chili and drain the water. We'll be using this water later, so set it aside. Now let's grind the cooked horsegram with garlic and the roasted spices and onion by adding half cup of water into a coarse paste. Now the curry preparation begins. Heat a heavy bottom pan and temper mustard seeds, asafoetida and curry leaves. Add onion and saute it for few minutes. Add salt and the ground horsegram spice paste and the water. Mix well without any lumps and bring this curry to a gentle simmer, and finally add cilantro and enjoy this with rice. Thank you.